This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a verified auto clicker and admin rights. Once you have the installer, run it and allow administrative permissions so hooks work system-wide. After installation, launch the app and immediately choose click type, left, right, or middle, and pick a simple target area by dragging a box or clicking to set coordinates. Make sure to test with a 1-2 second interval first so you see behavior before lowering delay. Once done with basics, dive into the middle configurations. Set the interval in milliseconds for precision or seconds for perceptible delays, and toggle randomization to mimic human timing. Next, pick a repeat mode, a fixed count for predictable runs, continuous for long sessions, or a duration for timed tasks, and assign reliable hotkeys so you can pause instantly. Also, decide whether the clicker should use fixed coordinates, relative offsets, or follow. To finish, run a controlled test for 10-30 seconds and watch where clicks land, then tweak delay and position until results match intent. Make sure the target window has focus and that your chosen hotkey reliably starts and stops the sequence. If something goes wrong, stop immediately with the hotkey, restart the clicker as administrator, and re-enter coordinates. One key troubleshooting tip. If clicks appear missing, check for overlays or anti-cheat protections blocking simulated input, then adjust or disable them if safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.